you also reusing your dental floss? First of all, you. Hi, I'm Dr. Manisha. I'm a dentist and I will tell you why you should not be reusing your floss. Before that, let me tell you what is floss. So floss is a string that cleans in between your teeth and gets rid of all the plaque, tartar and food debris that is stuck in between your teeth. Now you may ask, well, I brush twice daily. Why do I need floss? Because the truth is, brush only cleans 60% of your tooth surface, and rest of the spaces in between your teeth, they remain untouched, which means every time you're consuming food, those tiny bits of particles, they get trapped in those spaces and they become a feeding ground for the bacteria. And let's be honest, most cavities do not form on the front surfaces of your teeth. They always start from the tiny spaces in between your teeth. Now this is where floss comes in. It will slide into those tiny spaces and get rid of all the debris and food particles that has been accumulated under the gum line. Now here is what people miss. People think reusing floss is hygienic. Well, it's not, because it is not only loaded with bacteria, it is loaded with your food debris, plaque, and sometimes blood also. Washing is not going to take that away. Reusing might sound eco-friendly, but you're basically reintroducing the same bacteria that you got rid of last night. And honestly, what is the point of flossing if you're going to do that? And reintroducing bacteria means that you're just basically adding to the gum infection, gum irritation, you're inviting bleeding and bad breath. And apart from cross-contamination, once you use the floss, the structural integrity is lost. It is not the same. It will not be that effective as it used to be the first time you used it. Same goes for floss picks. If you think floss picks are any better, no, they are not. If anybody tells you that you can use the floss picks again, they're lying to you. So if you're not a fan of traditional methods and you do not like floss strings or floss picks, then you can simply go for water flosser. Water flosser uses a stream of water to blast away that debris. The water flosser is gentle, it's fast, and it's very good for people with braces, and it's also good for people having sensitive gums. Bottom line is, brushing is essential, but without flossing, that cleaning is not complete. If you like floss strings, use that. If you like water flosser, use that, but do not reuse your dental floss because that is way too unhygienic.